Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Partitions puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Pit Khiam and made by Cubic Dissection. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to put all 8 parts together and then take it apart. I will show you how the final shape is supposed to look like. It is not the solution yet, but just so that you can see what to expect at the end. So if you put 4 parts together, then you add 2 parts right here in the middle. It looks very easy, but then you have 2 parts left and you can't fit them in, since there are cutouts right here in the middle, but the other cutouts are on the other side, and it looks impossible to fit these 2 parts, so you have to figure out another way how to do so. All 8 parts of this puzzle are made from brass and they are all exactly the same. All 8 pieces have exactly the same 3 deep cuts and 1 small cut, and you have to find a way how to put all of them together. If you like the Partitions puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first of all, I'm going to start with 2 parts. Since they're exactly the same, it doesn't matter which part you use. We put them like so. Then I grab this part and I put it right here on the left. And then I put another one on the right. Looks easy so far. Now we have to add 2 more parts. One will go here. Another one. No, we are not gonna do it this way. We're gonna put them like so. One piece with the small cut here will be on the left, and the other piece with a small cut closer to you will be on the right. And now we will put the shape on top, and let's see if that was correct. I might made a mistake, but we will find out if I was correct right now. So now you have to put the puzzle like so and spread the pieces and see. If you see that there is a huge gap right here, that means that you did everything correct, and the next step will be to put this part inside, and it is supposed to go inside this way. So you put it right through this gap all the way down, and the next step is quite interesting. You have to slide it towards yourself and put here. The next piece will be this one, and this time you put it with this small cut on top, put it all the way in, and now you can just assemble the entire puzzle, and it is solved. That was the solution of Partitions puzzle. As you could see, the final steps are quite unusual. You have to find a gap between parts, put the one piece, slide it to the other row, and then add the last one. So quite an interesting solution, quite a beautiful puzzle. I really enjoyed this puzzle when I solved it first time. It wasn't too difficult. It took me probably like 20 minutes to figure out solution, but that was a very interesting solve. If you like the Partitions puzzle and you want to try some other amazing puzzles designed and made by Cubic Dissection, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.